Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base, then place the cover over the gas lift. Locate the back support and mechanism. Connect the mechanism to your back support with the included knob. The arrow on the mechanism indicates the front of the chair. Next, locate your seat cushion. Make sure the seat cushion is in the right position by looking at the arrow on the bottom label. Using the included M822 mechanism screws, hand thread the screws to connect your mechanism to the bottom of your seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. When installing your adjustable arms, you should have the longer section of the armrest facing towards the back of the chair. Using a Phillips screwdriver and included washers, fasten the arms to the base as shown here. Firmly place the bottom of the base onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.